So, a very warm welcome to all. I am Anusha, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. So, today we are going to discuss the topic listening skills, and the subject code is HS8251 Technical English. So, the outcome of this topic, on completion, students will be able to explain the importance of listening in communication skill. So, listening skills. Listening is the most important communication skill, as we all know. We probably spend more time using our listening skills than any other skill. Like other skills, listening takes practice. Real listening is an active process and also it requires a lot of attention. So, listening comes first and foremost. Communication skills that we learn in our lives is nothing but only listening. So, there are four major skills in communication, that is listening, speaking, writing, and reading. So, these are the active listening process steps, and the first one is hearing, simply hearing whatever we want to hear, and the next one is filtering, and the third one is comprehending, fourth one is remembering, and the final one is responding. So now types of listening. The first one is discriminative listening. Discriminative listening means it's simply giving your full attention or to the speaker, and it helps you to identify the difference between various sounds as well as the familiar and unfamiliar language. The next one is comprehension listening. It involves attaching meaning to what is being listened to. It may also include comprehending the non-verbal messages being conveyed by the speaker. And the next one is evaluative listening. This is somewhat important in listening process or listening types. It involves evaluating and analyzing the message being received. It also judging the acceptability of what is said depending on how logical one finds it to be. And comes attentive listening. Attentive listening is simply listening with attention. And next, pretense listening. Pretense listening means pretending to be listening. And selective listening, it involves selecting the desired part of the message. We only listen what we want to listen and ignore the other part. And intuitive listening, it means listening through the intuitive mind by silencing all other thoughts. So here are some good tips to be a good listener. So give your full attention on the person who is speaking. Don't look out the window or at what else is going on in the room. Give your full attention to the speaker. So the next one, make sure your mind is focused. It can be easy to let your mind wander. So if you think you're not in a right mind, just change the position of your body and try to concentrate on the speaker's words, and then try to give feedbacks. And also, sit up straight and look directly at the speaker, now and then, not to show that you understand. At appropriate points, you may also smile, frown, laugh, or be silent. So, these are all the ways to let the speaker know that you are actually listening. So, remember, you listen with your face as well as your ears. So, be focused and give feedback and just give some remarks or some expressions to let the speaker know that you're listening. So this is just to improve your listening skill. So these are the questions. You have to read the passage and find out the answers. So thank you. This is all about listening. Thank you all.